Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Notifications and Status Bar to save time. Tap Status Bar, then locate and enable the Show Data Usage toggle. This is the primary switch that activates live counters. If a permission dialog appears, grant usage access and overlay permission so the counter can read network stats. Once done, make sure you've selected mobile and Wi-Fi display options if available so both data streams will appear on the bar. Next, configure what you want to see and why each choice matters. Choose mobile data, Wi-Fi, or both. You want only relevant counters to avoid clutter. Pick a format like KB/MB or Mbps depending on whether you track totals or speed. Lower refresh uses less battery, higher refresh gives live feel. Then toggle extras. Show peak for troubleshooting spikes, or hide on full screen to avoid overlay during video. Make adjustments and observe the status bar for correctness. Finish by verifying the counter appears under normal use. Browse, stream, or download a small file to watch updates. If it does not show, reboot the device first. Many MIUI toggles need a restart. Next, confirm usage access and overlay permissions for the system and any related apps. Without both, the counter won't read traffic. If problems persist, reset status bar settings or check for MIUI updates, because firmware bugs sometimes block the only built-in display method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.